everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. Today I am going to show you how to add, remove and switch Google account on your Android phone step by step. If you use multiple Gmail account, you are facing issue like missing contact, syncing problem or login error. This video help you to manage everything easily. Let's get started. First we will learn how to add the Google account. To add the Google account, you need to follow this method. Okay, in your phone you need to open your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out accounts, open it. Okay, and here you can get the option manage account. Just tap on it. If you want to add the new account, scroll down and here you can get the option add account. Tap on it and from here you need to select the Google. Okay, if you want to add Google account, enter your email address, phone number, accept all the terms and condition, and your Google account will be added successfully. That's it. Okay, your new Google account is now linked to your device. Now let's see if you want to remove a Google account safely from your device. To do this, guys, in your phone settings, in the same settings, here you can get the option in the manage account. You can get your all Google account here. If you want to remove any Google account, just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option remove account. Just tap on it. Important note, guys, removing an account will also remove its email, contact, app data and Play Store history from your phone. You need to remember this thing before removing, but nothing gets deleted from your cloud, only it will hide from your phone. Okay, so this is the method to add and remove the Google account from your phone. Now main important thing, now let's see how to switch the Google account. Switching accounts is super easy, guys. Okay, to switch your account, open your Gmail app on your phone. Okay, or you can open any other app like Google Play Store also. Tap on your profile picture and here you can get your all linked added account on your device. From here you can easily able to switch to other account. Same thing, if you want to switch the account in the Play Store, open it, tap on your profile picture. From here you can easily able to switch account. In my case there is no account added here, that's why there is no account showing here. So if you have added any other multiple account, you can get the option. Same thing you can try in YouTube, Google Chrome browser, anywhere. With this step, guys, you can switch between personal, work and backup account on your phone anytime. Now let's fix some common issue if you are facing problem while adding or switching account. So first you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is up to date. You need to set your phone date and time correct. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. You need to restart your phone, and here you can try one more method. Open your phone settings. In the phone settings, open the apps and tap on three dots, and from here you need to enable the show system app and then tap on OK. Scroll down and find out Google Play services. Open it and here you need to clear the cache of the Google Play services. Tap on storage, clear the cache and then close this. Restart your phone one time, it will work very smoothly fine. So that's how you can add, remove and switch Google account on any Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more powerful Android and Windows tech guide. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.